Understanding Number and Numeration for ages 15 to 18. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tough math topics to make them easy and fun. Today, we're talking about number and numeration, a super important concept in mathematics. Whether you're preparing for exams or just brushing up on your math skills, this video is for you. So, what exactly is number and numeration? Well, it's all about understanding different types of numbers, their properties, and how we use them. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First up, the types of numbers. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Natural numbers, n. These are the counting numbers we use every day. You know, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 2. Whole numbers, w. Now, whole numbers are just like natural numbers, but they also include 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. 3. Integers, z. Integers are a bit broader. They include both positive and negative whole numbers, like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rational numbers. Q. Any number that can be written as a fraction is rational. For example, 1/2, -3/4, or even whole numbers like 5, because you can write it as 5/1. 5. Irrational numbers. These are the tricky ones. You can't express them as fractions, and their decimals go on forever without repeating. Examples? The square root of 2 or pi. 6. Real numbers. R. Real numbers include all rational and irrational numbers. Everything you can find on the number line is a real number. 7. Complex numbers. C. And lastly, complex numbers. They include a real part and an imaginary part, like 3 plus 4, where is the square root of -1. Now, let's talk about place value and numeration systems. Place value is the value a digit has based on its position in a number. For example, in 4527, the digit 5 is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 500. But did you know there are different numeration systems? The most common is the decimal system, or base 10. But there's also binary, which is base 2, octal, which is base 8, and hexadecimal, which is base 16. And these are super important in fields like computer science. Now it's time for number operations. These are the basic actions you can perform with numbers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are the fundamentals. We use them in everyday life and in solving equations. Exponents and roots are essential for understanding powers, like squaring numbers or finding square roots. Logarithms are the opposite of exponents, and they're super useful for advanced math. And finally, modulus, or absolute value, shows how far a number is from 0 on the number line. Prime numbers are a big deal in math. A prime number is any natural number greater than 1 that can only be divided by 1 and itself. Think of numbers like 2, 3, 5, or 7. And don't forget about prime factorization. It's all about breaking down a composite number into its prime factors. For example, 12 becomes 2 times 2 times 3. Numbers aren't just for math class, they show up in real life too. You'll need them for financial calculations like interest rates, for working with algebraic expressions, and even for understanding probability and statistics. Mastering numbers now will help you in everyday situations and careers like engineering, economics, and data science. So, to wrap it up, number and numeration is the foundation of math and life. Whether you're dealing with simple or complex numbers or applying them in real-world situations, knowing your numbers will set you up for success. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more math tips, and keep practicing your skills. See you next time.